For over a century, Chevrolet has built trucks that are more than just vehicles. They're trusted partners. This legacy of strength and dependability continues with the 2024 lineup, a truck for every journey. Meet the all-new award-winning Chevy Colorado. This mid-size powerhouse is built for adventure, blending city agility with untamed off-road capability. It's no wonder it was named Motor Trend's Truck of the Year. For those who need ultimate strength, the legendary Silverado 1500 returns. With best-in-class towing and uncompromising durability, it's engineered to conquer the toughest jobs from sunrise to sunset. And now, a glimpse into the future, the revolutionary electric Silverado EV. It's a new era of power, combining groundbreaking technology with zero emissions and a design that will turn every head on the street. From legendary durability to advanced technology, there's a Chevy truck built for you. Find your perfect partner and drive the future. Follow us to see where we go next.